Hello everyone, this is Emily with the Graphics Fairy Premium membership site. Today I wanted to share a no fuss, no measure envelope craft that we'll be making from printed papers. They're super cute and super easy, and most importantly, no measuring. I'm using some of our 8x10 printables from the Graphics Fairy Premium membership site, though you can use any paper you have around the house or any scrapbook papers. For this project, you'll need a piece of printed paper. I've just used regular copy paper on regular settings, scissors, a glue stick, pencil, and a bone folder is optional. I've printed my paper on both sides. All I did was run the paper through my printer. I flipped it over and printed on the other side. Decide which side of the printable you want to be the front of the envelope and put that face down. Fold the bottom up about 2/3 of the way, and then fold the top, which will become your top flap, down as well. Next, fold the sides. We'll fold these about 1 inch or so in from each of the sides. I'm not measuring here, and that's the good part. Super easy. Once the two sides have been folded in, open the paper back up. We're going to remove the 4 corners marked by the fold lines, so we will cut those out. Once the 4 corners have been cut out, fold the envelope back together and make sure it fits. Next, we will cut the sides. From the inside of the envelope out, cut each of the corners. On the top, I like to have the angle a little bit less severe. Refit the sides. And next, we'll make the curve. So on the bottom of your envelope, as a guide, I'm using a bowl that I have in my workspace to trace around and create the curve. Next, cut along the line that you've made. Fit the envelope together and check how the curve looks. If you're not happy with the curve, you can always cut the sides a little bit more as well. Create the curve on the top in a similar manner. I'm using my object to trace around, although you certainly could freehand this. Next, cut along the curve to create the top of the envelope. Now we'll glue the envelope together. Apply glue to the side panels and pull up the bottom portion. Press down. There are a few different variations that you can make. On the left side, I used an 8x10" printable, and you can see by varying the sides of the side panels as well as how far I pulled up the top, the shape of the envelope will be different. On the right-hand side, I just used a smaller piece of paper, and this created a smaller envelope. So by varying these different measurements, you can create different style envelopes. If you found this video helpful, be sure to click like below and subscribe to the Graphics Fairy YouTube channel. Bye!